Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you understand how to study effectively with ADHD. First, let's set up your study space for success. Find a quiet area free from visual and auditory distractions. Make sure you have everything you need like pens, paper, and your laptop within reach before you begin. Sticking to a regular study schedule helps your brain anticipate learning time, making it easier to focus when you sit down. Managing your focus and time is crucial. Instead of tackling a huge assignment all at once, break it into smaller, achievable steps. This makes the task feel less daunting. Try the Pomodoro technique. Work intensely for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This helps maintain concentration. Also, identify your most important tasks and tackle those first, avoiding multitasking.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these study tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. On another note, sometimes a fresh environment helps clear your head. If your car could use a refresh, grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a small thing that makes a big difference. You can find the link in the description below, along with other deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Active learning keeps your brain engaged. Don't just passively read. Highlight key information, take concise notes, or summarize sections in your own words. If you find yourself restless, discreetly use a fidget toy or take short, planned movement breaks. Speaking concepts out loud, as if teaching someone, can significantly deepen your understanding and recall of the material. Good organization and regular review are vital for long-term retention. Keep your notes and study materials neatly organized, whether in physical folders or digital files, so you can easily find what you need. Short, frequent review sessions are more effective than cramming. Consider using visual tools like mind maps or colorful flashcards to make complex information more accessible and memorable for your brain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.